Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn divisibility test for number 11. So these are some steps that we will apply in these given examples, and then we will learn that how to check that whether a given number is divisible by 11 or not. So let's start the video without any delay. Now here the first step is find the sum of the digits at odd places. Means in a given number we will find the sum of the digits which are at odd places. Odd places means the digits which are at odd place, like at first place, at third place, at fifth place, at seventh place, and ninth place, and so on. So this is first place. Okay. Now then find the sum of the digits at even places. Even places means the digits which are at even places, means at second place, at fourth place, sixth place, eighth place, and so on. So as you all know that odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these all are odd numbers, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these all are even numbers. But here we are talking about odd places, means the digits which are at odd places at first place, third place, fifth, seventh, ninth, and so on. So now let's apply these steps in this given example. Here the question is 79,376. So first step, it is the sum of the digits at odd places. So what are the odd places here? This is our first place, which is at odd place. First, then after that, this number 3 is at third place, and then 7 is at fifth place. So 6, 3 and 7, these are the numbers which are at odd places. Okay, in a number always our places starts from right hand side. This means from this end, right end of the number we will start our places. And now 7 and 9 are the digits which are at even place. So these are at even places digits. Now first we have to find the sum of the digits at odd places. So let's start. Write sum of the digits at odd places. Odd places. So at odd places, what are the digits? 6, 3 and 7. So we can write 6 plus 3 plus 7, or we can write in this order also, 7 plus 3 plus 6. By both the ways we will get the same sum. Now add this. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So we will get 16. Now we will follow the second step. What is our second step? It is find the sum of the digits at even places. So here at even places numbers are 7 and 9. So we will find the sum of the digits at even places. So at even places now we will find the sum of the digits. These are 7 and 9. So write 7 plus 9. What will we get? We will get 7 plus 9 is 16. Now, what is our third step? Find the difference. We have to find the difference of the sum obtained in both the steps. So, we will find the difference, means we have to subtract. So, write difference here. Difference is 16 minus 16, which is 0. Okay. Now, if the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11, otherwise the number will not be divisible by 11. So here we can see that our difference is 0 and 0 will be divisible by 11. So whenever we will get 0 or the multiples of 11, in that case our number will be divisible by 11. Hence, so we can write, so this number 79,376 will be divisible by 11. Will be divisible by 11. Okay. Now by the same way we will solve this second question. We will do the solution here. Now in this also, what is our first step? We have to find the sum of the digits at odd places. Okay, so what are our odd places digits here? Start from the right hand side. Okay, so 3, then 1, then 2 and 4. So these are the digits which are at odd places, and 7, 8 and 6. These are the digits which are at even places. Now I am writing the statement in short. So first is sum of the digits which are at odd places. Odd places digits. Okay. So I have written here in short. So we will write the digits 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So what will we get? 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. We got 10 here. Now we will find the sum of the digits at even places. So write even places digits. So what are the digits at even places? These are 7 plus 8 plus 6. 7 plus 8 plus 6. What will we get? 7 plus 8 is 15 and 15 plus 6 is 21. Now what is our next step? In our next step we have to find the difference between 21 and 10. So write here difference. It will be 21 minus 10. So 21 minus 10, it is 11. Okay, and we know that 11 is divisible by itself. Okay, 11 is the first multiple of 11. Hence, or we can write, so this number 46,28,173 will be divisible by 11. Okay, we will do some more sums to understand this topic deeply. Now let's do question number 3. So the number is 4,26,972. So first we will mark the odd places and even places digits. So what are the odd places digits? It is 2, 9 and 2. These are the digits which are at odd places. And what are the digits at even places? 7, 6 and 4. So these are the digits which are at even places. Now we will start from the first step. Find the sum of the digits at odd places. So sum of the digits at odd places. So what are the digits? Let's write and find the sum. 2, 9 and 2 again. So we can write 2 plus 9 plus 2. After adding, what will we get? 2 plus 9 is 11 and 11 plus 2 is 13. Now let's find the sum of the digits at even places. So at our even places, what are the digits? 7, 6 and 4. So write 7 plus 6 plus 4. Add them. What will we get? 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. Now our next step is to find the difference. So what will be the difference? Difference of 17 and 13. 17 minus 13 we will get 4. And we know that 4 is not divisible by 11. Hence, the number 4,26,972 will not be divisible by 11. Will not be divisible by 11. Okay, because if we will get 0 or multiple of 11, then only our number will be divisible. In all the other cases, our number will not be divisible by 11. So let's solve this one also. Here, what is the number? It is 6,98,53,300. So it's a very big number. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, let's mention the odd places and even places digits. So at odd places 0, 3, then 5 and 9. So these are the digits which are at odd places. And at even places 0, 3, 8 and 6. So these are the digits at even places. Now start the solution. So sum of the digits at odd places. So let's write the digits here. Then we will find out the sum. 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9. Let's add them. 0 plus 3 will be 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 9 is 17. So we will get 17. Now we will find out the sum of the digits which are at even places. At even places. Let's write the digits. What are the digits? 0 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Let's add 0 plus 3. Again it will be 3. 3 plus 8 is 11 and 11 plus 6 is 17. Now let's find out the difference. Difference will be 17 minus 17 and it will be 0. Okay, so because we get 0 here, hence our number will be divisible by 11. Hence, this number which is 6,98,53,300, it will be divisible by 11. Okay, so always learn these steps. First, find the sum of the digits at odd places. Then find the sum of the digits at even places. Then find out the difference. And if you will get 0 or multiples of 11, then our number will be divisible by 11. Otherwise, the number will not be divisible by 11. So I hope that now you understood that how to check the divisibility by 11. Okay, so if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care.